So welcome back. Now you're a free member. Okay, so nakagawa ka na ng account or nagawan ka na ng account, whichever, and naka-login ka na. So what do you do inside? What do you see? Okay, so in this video, you see two types of view. The mobile view, ito po yung sa if you're using a cell phone, and laptop or PC view if you're using a computer. So you're inside. So there are things that you can check on. So simulan natin yung menu dito. Okay. So ano itong mga paid forward, enabled, I6, I22. So these are the different cooperatives. Okay. And if you want to activate, nakasulat po dyan. So there are two types. No? The first set is yung We Prove It Free, under We Prove It Free, which is gagawa natin ng exclusive or specific video for that. And yung second set naman is yung actual. All right, the real thing. Because we created two systems wherein you can prove it for free. Okay, you don't have to pay for it and find out yourself if it's working. Which is gagawa po natin ng separate video yan. And the second layer is the actual nga. So meaning, you're already in operation. You're already a full-fledged member. Okay, so ganyan po yan. Kaya makikita nyo yung words na red, activate, activate, activate. Meaning, you're not yet activated in these co-ops. Okay, yan pong ibig sabihin yan. Of course, when you click cooperative, yan, so makikita mo rito yung co-op mo, which is in this case, zero co-op income GBOs. So wala pa eh. Okay, you have not started. Yan po yan. Then go to Q-Team. Balik tayo nito. Of course, you need to be an active member, no, for you to see that. So wala kang, even if you click that Q-Team, won't open. Okay, you need to be an active member. Cooperative. Yan po. So feel free to navigate kasi as a free member, yan po yung mga makikita nyo. Okay, and one very important thing na dapat mong malaman is, how do I activate? Okay, yun ang mas mahalaga po. How do I activate? Kasi when you're already convinced by yourself, this I would love to do this. So yan ay kiklik mo ngayon. Activate. Okay? Sa mobile, activate. Ang gagawin niya, if you decide to activate, is the system will encourage you to buy tokens. We use token for activation. One token, one activation. Okay? Pag tinatanong na iba, ilang tokens bibiling ko? Kung ano ba, i-activate mo yung sarili mo, isa. But there's also another way, tokens, which is better, ito po sa advance. Okay, gagawin po namin yun ng video ulit. But for this purpose of the video, what do I see inside? Ito po yan. So all you have to keep clicking, no? Co-op income, we prove it free, cooperative, Q-Team, the wallet, the tokens, your profile, FAQs. You can also see some FAQs there. Yun lang, as of this video, we're still updating. So baka may mga hindi pa siya kompleto. Baka rin may mga inaccurate ng content because again, we came from different platforms that we have combined. No? So bear with us, ginagawa pa to. Pero at least you know now, if you're not yet a member, you can just navigate. Okay? So I'll see you sa next video kung ano pa yung paano pa mga pwedeng gawin, especially the We Prove It Free. Yun po yung gusto kong i-demonstrate. Ipanoorin din po. Thank you po.